Okay, we are looking at volume, and like I said before, volumes are calculated in cubes. So how many cubic inches, cubic centimeters, cubic meters, cubic feet make up a shape. And looking at rectangular prisms, we can think about those in this way. This would be a one layer rectangular prism, so it has one layer up, and we have 6 going this direction, see 3 and 3, and 4 going in this direction, see 2 and 2. So this would have a volume of 4 times 6, so there's 24 cubes in this rectangular prism, and it's actually 1 high. Now if I go to 2 layers, so let me take, it's 12 I guess of those, stack them on top. So now I have the same number of cubes, 24, but now it's in 2 layers. So if I look at the top layer, it's 3 by 4, so 3 times 4, I have 12. The area of that is 12 squared. Squares on the top face, right, would be the area of the top face. And the volume of the first layer is just the area of the top face times 1, right? So it's the same number, 12. So there's 12 cubes on the top layer, 12 cubes on the bottom layer. So I can multiply the 12, which is the area of the base, times the height. So this is our 12 times 2, which is 24 again, right? So there is a fast way. You could just say, well, it's length times width times height, or length times width times depth. So it's just 3 numbers multiplied together. 3 times 4 times 2 makes 24. Now I could think of it the other way. I could think of, well, what's the area of this face over here, right? Maybe this face is 2 by 4, that's 8. And then there's 3 layers that are that same cross section. So this is 8 times 3, which is also 24. Or I could think of it as that layer, right? So this layer is 2 by 3, which is 6, and I have 4 exactly the same cross sections. So I have 4 times 6, which is also 24. So I want you to play around with these blocks and see how many different shapes you can make. So can you do an 8 by 3 and mix that around to make different volumes, and 2 by 12, and are there any other configurations that would make 24? So go ahead and check that out.